All right, everyone, just a really brief update. Again, as you know, we have class canceled again today because of the inclement weather. So there's really not a whole lot in the way of announcements. Just, attendance grades have stayed the same. No progress yet on the homework solutions other than everything other than 2.7 has been graded, and all the solutions, including 2.7, has been posted. The 2.8 deadline has been extended to Monday. And I guess the overall point I would make is that the homework's due whenever we come back, but I'm assuming that would be Monday, or hoping that would be Monday. Again, and I know in the last video I said I hope that would be Friday, but we're still dealing with some pretty serious weather. So just really quickly on the let me change my slide here. On the updated logistics. So my plan is that we'll hopefully meet on Monday. We'll do our exam review, and then the exam will be the following Wednesday. I'll keep trying to post just some quick updates, between now and when we meet again. The only thing just to keep in mind is that my plan is whenever the next time we meet, we'll do our exam review, and the exam is the following day, or the following lecture. So right now, I'm assuming that we'll meet on Monday, but who knows? Maybe the weather's still bad. I'm thinking that the worst is behind us from all the news and the forecasts I've seen. So we'll see. But just keep in mind that the next time we meet, we'll do our exam review, and the exam will be the following lecture, and the homework will be due whenever we come back. Until then, just stay safe, stay warm, stay healthy, and we'll see you when we get back. Hopefully, if you're still without power and whatnot, hopefully that gets restored very quickly, and we'll see you when we return. So with that, stay safe, stay warm, stay healthy, and we'll see you when we come back.